Need some cure for this disease. I've been cursed with L.U.V. My visions bleed with memories of all the time we spent. Now I'm left with only me, and my body's feeling weird. I can't believe I didn't see this moment come so fast. You've been swimming through my veins, veins, veins. I need a drink, drink, drink to kill the pain, pain, pain. I need that someone to replace, replace, replace. She needs to clear my mental space. Now it's over. Your soul inside of me, and your pain refused to leave. It's hard to breathe when memories refuse to fade away. Words stop when you shut the door. All my life, never think you'd go.